Hi, I'm Olivia. We're here at Conlan Tire in Mulberry, and I'm a warehouse manager.
My name is Damian Gilmore. I'm a tire technician lead here.
So I started out at Conlan Tire as a coordinator, which I was then promoted to senior coordinator and then as warehouse manager.
So I started out as a tech, zero experience, and just hard work, perseverance helped me make it to lead in about 6 months time.
I would say we're very hire from the ground up, so every employee gets the opportunity first. The greatest people are the people that are already here. For example, in Retread, you can graduate from be a Tire Tech 1 to a Tire Tech 2. You can work from there. You can be a Retread lead once you're a Tire Tech 3, and then from there you can be the Retread manager or warehouse manager even.
It's a great launching point because although we have tire tech, we have many different things that you can expand upon that way. You also have a service section. We have a warehouse section. There's a great training process because here, you're never training for your position, you're training for the next position.
I'm responsible for over 20 employees directly. I'm their direct boss, direct supervisor. Typically, what we want the life of an employee at Conlan Tire is to start out in warehouse, you graduate to Retread, and then from there you go to service, be a service manager, store manager. Possibilities are endless.